Let me show you about the attendance section because we just finished about the HR admin section. So we go to the attendance section. There are a lot of activity related to the attendance section. So I divide by three. First one is a daily activity, and second is a weekly activity, or sometime when the management need. So the last one is a monthly activity. So first of all, if we go to the daily activity, first we going to download the attendance from the fingerprint device or eye scanning device or RFID card device. We get the employee or worker log, attendant log from that device in going to the HR server system. So we can store every clock of the worker doing scan in our factory. So first we're going to download. Very simple. We're going to download. Just click download, select device and download. So after we download, the HR system doing calculation, normal hours, OT, and something else related to the time card. Okay. So after we download, we're going to print it out about the missing one. The missing is mean the worker doesn't come to scan. Is this not mean the worker doesn't come to work? Because some worker, for the missing we have three more reasons. First one is the worker not come to work without any document confirm. They don't ask us about the leave, so they just stay at home or go to somewhere else and then doesn't come to work, so we call it absent. The second one is the worker doesn't come to work as well, but they take leave. So if our HR and HR admin assistant key in about the leave, that's okay. When we print it out, it will show us about the leave. So I will show you next time. Very soon. Okay. After we check about we double check about the time in out missing, we're going to key in about the leave. Also, sorry, the last one for the time in time out missing is the worker come to work but they have forgot to scan. They forgot to take a log. So when the HR system download the fingerprint from the devices and then cannot find the log. So actually they come to work but they don't scan it. Sometimes they maybe scan but it's not cannot save. So we print it out and then we double check with the leave taken, and after that we send it out to the production. Let's double check if the worker come to work. So we ask the supervisor or team leaders take note and sign for that document. That means your worker forgot to scan. So this is problem. So when the payroll calculation doesn't make some problem for the worker. Okay, and then after that if the worker come, we just key in, we just update about the time card. Another thing is leave taken. If the worker asks about leave, so we have to key in leave. So after we do both things, so our attendance record is more accuracy. So that after that we can go into the Excel and we go to click head count. This is the Excel export we use for the production people to analyze about okay, in each line, every line have a total worker, they have the person worker, they have the absent worker, they have the leave worker, they have the newcomer, and then they have the resigned ones. So this is very important report. So we can export and then we send it to the management. This is a daily activity. I will show you more detail about each activity in the next movie. So sorry, the next video, not movie, sorry. Okay, and right now I will going to download. I'm going to download the time card. So after we click download here, or sometimes we going to the attendant and then we click A10 download or Control D. So we press Control D and then I select the device I would like to download. Here we have a status. It is a register. This is a IP address. This is for the IT people. They can understand because every device inside of the network, they have the identified address. So this one. So this is a status. The status is the connection is invalid. This means we doesn't have device connect to our system. So if like this, we cannot download. So this is because when I make this video, I doesn't have any fingerprint connected to my system. So but I think my customer and they have this one, because our team when go to set up the application, they config everything for our customer. And registered, this mean like, okay, the company have the budget to buy one fingerprint and then stand nearby the HR's people. So when they register the fingerprint, they only go to the production line, go to the instance or the factory. So they just register inside of the fingerprint nearby their desk, and then after that they can register to other fingerprint as they want. So here it doesn't have. So this factory have 4 fingerprint and then doesn't have register one. So they can register any of 4 fingerprints and after that they can download it and then register to all. Okay, so after we select and then we can click download. Actually it doesn't work because I doesn't have any fingerprint in my lens. So a little bit stuck because the system will double check again and again to looking for the fingerprint. So that's all for download from attendant section. So I will show you the next video about missing time in time out. So thank you very much. That's all.